Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the Modera Trinity and we're actually looking at their 2-bedroom. We're inside of it. This is an open apartment. It's not furnished. I just wanted you to take a look at it and see what it looks like. By the way, if you have questions at any time, my number is below and you can text me and I'll answer any questions you need about the Modera Trinity or about any other apartment in the area. This is a really pretty floor plan. Look at how much square feet there is. There's a lot of space. Look at all the windows. This is a fun plan. Wow. It's got this huge island. This would be an amazing 2-bedroom to have. This island, and you could have a lot of people over here. This would be so fun. Look at the kitchen. The kitchen's really pretty. A lot of cabinets. It's got that really nice wood. It's got a really warm wood. The flooring, by the way, is a really nice warm wood feel. It's kind of neutral. It's going to stay looking good, I think, for years. It looks awesome. And man, look at this. It's just gorgeous. There's so much space here. So you can really store a lot and you can serve a lot because there's a really big island. Wow, I'm so impressed. This is more of like a high-rise kind of experience in here, especially with that island and this huge kitchen. Lots of cabinets, really pretty. Hey, we're gonna do a really detailed walkthrough of this apartment too, so you can see a little bit more of the details. We're gonna do several videos. Those are coming up right after this. Remember, at any time, if you have any questions, send me a text below. Now, let's go outside and take a peek outside in a separate video.